much as I hate chores, I love using this mop. It's called the O-Cedar mop. And what I like about it is how easy it is to pick up. And let's say there's a imaginary dirty spot right there. It's really easy. You just gotta put some oomph into it and just go like this and it'll disappear. And so there's two things of how you get it wet and dry. So how you get it dried and get rid of all the dirty raw water from in here, you put it in here, and if you can see that there's this red leather, and you barely hold it on, and you just push down. And it doesn't just dry this, it gets all the dirty water out, and it puts it down here. And then all the clean water will go right in here. You just gotta lift this up for clean water, and it'll fill automatically, so then you have clean water. And it's so, and also there's this clip here, so when you're done, it'll just hold it so it won't fall over the place. And what I like is these packs. So let's say you run out of water. You can just fill it up with warm water, pop one of these things in, and then you get easy detergent. This is what the bag looks like, and this is what pod looks like.
So does it make doing chores fun?
Yes.
Would you suggest someone get it for themselves?
Yes.
All right. Thank you very much.